do 1 or 2 reports for the resource management, and then this reporting will be done. Then we will go into the integration of drawings layout hopefully, and then we will analyze the report and see how we can bring our data on routine basis from P6. So we have made duplicates. So in labor now we need to change few things. First of all, we will bring here the schedule variance of labor. These are here, so I will just remove these two values, and I want to bring now here the schedule variance of labor. So labor will be here in earned value labor and cost variance labor. This similarly we will bring here schedule variance labor. In fact, we should bring the percentage of that, and similarly we will bring the percentage of schedule variance. Yes, so here we need to give make them percentage as well. First, they are not in percentage. They are now in percentage. In fact, I need to make for cost as well. Cost variance in percentage as well. Yes, so we can give the condition. A condition will be the background color, and before that, let's say color rules. We want to make rule for if greater than 0 number and less than 1000 number should be the green color. Now we need to see which green it was, because we are using the same color everywhere. So the other two rules says is equal to 0 number is greater than minus 1000 0 number, and 0 is, so this should be yellow, should be red. So these colors will be changing now. So before that, one thing more, I have just little bit modified the cost report in order to make it more readable, more understandable for analysis purpose. So I will explain that later as well, what is the purpose of this, what we are using here. So why I came here, actually I want to copy the color coding of this. So the color code is this for the green. So I will go here. In fact, yes, we can change the color, copy from here, format it, go in there and paste it here. See, colors. Now I need to go in here. Okay, it's not there, so this is our bad luck. So what we will do, we will come here and put it again, greater than 0, less than 1000, whatever number. Color code is this, so make it like this. For other one, color code is this. Copy that. You can do that by yourself easily if you remember. Actually, I did not pasted these codes and I don't remember them either, so that's why. It is 0 number, color should be this, and the last one is just quickly conditional formatting. I think data is changing. Sometimes DAX take a lot of time. This color is actually this one, so go in here and click here, schedule variance, conditional formatting, background color, and the new rule says it should be greater than -1000 number, and here is less than 0 number, so the color code is this. Okay, so now we can see these colors are appearing here. Same we will do for the cost variance, percent labor. These rule is equal